generation. Well, just me. Good evening, fucking 4 years old. It's our 4th birthday. I'm excited. Hey. I certainly fucking am. 4 years to the day, the 18th of April 2019, when 7 comedians just in a little back room in a pub far, far away called Gulliver's put on a little show and invented stand-up comedy. It feels like a lifetime ago, but no, it was 4 years ago today, and as many prime ministers ago. We're 4 years, time really fucking flies, and things are so different, Like when Blizzard Comedy first started, Boris Johnson was a worst case scenario. When Blizzard Comedy first started, the Labour Party was left wing. What the fuck? When Blizzard Comedy first started, we were like, yeah, it sucks that Brendan and such a massive transphobic bigot, but at least we've always got Harry Potter. I've got 50 of these, hang on. When we first started Blizzard Comedy, we didn't realise that the guy duetting with Billy's very serious about how much he loves to ride his horse might not be straight. When we first started Blizzard Comedy, that venue or store or pub you used to go to was still there. I didn't need to specify because there's I can't go through all of them. Oh yeah, when I first started Blizzard Comedy, I didn't know who Joe Rogan even was. When we first started Blizzard Comedy, a blue tick next to your name on Twitter meant you were actually the person you claimed to be, rather than a simp who just wants to give Elon Musk money. Back when we first started Blizzard Comedy, the right-wing gammon were furious that there was a woman doctor, but now, thankfully, they're all fine with the new one. Back when we first started Blizzard Comedy, Leonardo DiCaprio's next girlfriend wasn't allowed to be in the pub. Back when we first started Blizzard Comedy, we didn't realise that there were any health risks to just spitting in the mouths of strangers. Back when we first started Blizzard Comedy, coronavirus was just the Rickroll version of the Rhythm of the Night by Corona. That one was just for me. When we first started Blizzard Comedy, I had largely the same set because writing new material is hard. When we first started Blizzard Comedy, there was no hard proof that Ben Shapiro couldn't make his wife come, but we didn't have it in writing.
So many times.
When we first started Blizzard Comedy, I wasn't jaded with stand-up comedy and everyone who does it and everyone who enjoys it. And when we first started Blizzard Comedy, Google Stadia didn't exist, so in many ways...